people of the internet, my name is Tatiana and I just received my Rouje package. Let's open it up together, talk a little bit about the quality, sustainability, and then let's do a try on. This is what it looks like. They always pack their tote bags with every order. The tote bag always matches their current campaign or the style they're going for. Right now it's like spring summer. For comparison, this is another one of their bags, and here is another one from fall last year. And they did change the shape a little bit. It's more like a beach bag, kind of wider style compared to the previous one, which was more long. But I love these, and I don't know, I think it's really nice that they pack a tote bag to every order. First up, we have the OG Gabin dress, which is their staple. I already have the sleeveless version of this dress, which fits perfectly, and I just wanted something that would give me a little more coverage. So here she is. It's viscose, and they claim that it's been sustainably sourced, made in Europe. The print is the same as their tote bag. I think that's wonderful. It's a classic wrap dress with buttons. Second thing I ordered is another dress. This is the Ines dress in yellow and tulips. I thought it looked super adorable. I've been looking for a La La Land kind of dress for ages, and I'm really hoping this will finally fulfill my fantasies. It looks wonderful again. It's viscose and made in Europe. It has a little strap up here to adjust the cleavage, and it has a little hidden zipper on the side to allow you to get in easier. Ooh. Okay, the zipper runs kind of hard. That's maybe one thing that is already a minus about this dress. Ooh. I actually ordered the Ines dress mostly because they have a plus size model modeling this one. I feel like that's always a good sign that it might fit a little bit more of a curvy, wider figure as well. Next up is the Aneth Shirt. I am really excited about this one. It's so soft to touch. Really simple, cute piece. Kind of grandma style, as my boyfriend would say, but that's exactly what I love. So the Aneth Shirt is a blend of viscose and linen, so it's again perfect for the summer. There are no sustainability claims on this one. Does it mean it wasn't sustainably made in an audited workshop, or they just forgot to include it on their website? Guess we'll never know. It does look lovely, however, and I can't wait to try it on. It feels extremely soft. The last piece that I ordered is this linen shirt, which just by looking at it immediately, I'm noticing that the sleeves are huge, which might not be ideal for my wider shoulders, but I guess we'll see when we try it on. It's 100% linen. The embroidery looks beautiful. You can't even see the finish on the inside. All of the clothing from Rouje is in the size 38. For reference, I am 163 centimeters tall, and normally I wear size medium or 38 to 40 in European sizes. The beautiful Gabin dress. I'm so excited. I love wrap dresses. They're always so easy to put on, like even if you're just on a beach and you want a little bit of cover up, you can wear it as like a robe like this. And then, you know, you can do your business right afterwards. There is a little hole on the side to pull the string through and, you know, wrap it properly. You just tie it on the side, and which most of the wrap dressers are missing, this one has, so that's wonderful. It's buttons to keep it secure. My hips are a little wider, so I usually just like unbutton the bottom piece for a little more freedom. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm not sure how I feel about the shoulder pads. The little poof on the shoulders is kind of making it difficult for me to see if I actually like it or not. I didn't expect it to be this much. It's gorgeous. It's not a bralette kind of dress. There definitely is some space on my waist. It could be tighter, but I don't really mind it. I actually prefer dresses that let you, you know, eat as much as you want and not feel like you're gonna explode. I'm gonna lie, when I looked at the pictures, I did think that this little strap can also tighten this bit, making it a little more coverage, giving you a little more coverage. But it's really just for this bit in the front, for the cleavage. I do think it's a beautiful dress, and I think it's quite flattering for my body type. But let's see how it looks like without a bra, or perhaps with a different one. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I do feel like it's not giving enough space or support. It might be just me overly critical. Like, overall, I think it's a gorgeous, gorgeous dress. Just as I suspected, the sleeves are a bit too poofy for me. Don't get me wrong, it's a really lovely piece of clothing, but I just look like a mom, a field working mom somehow. Although, I don't know. I kind of like it, but at the same time, I do feel like the poof is maybe a bit too big for me. Oh, it's so soft. I feel so beautiful in this. I mean, I know it's not the most flattering cut for my body type, but it's kind of up my alley. I think it's giving, like, I mean, of course I'm wearing sweatpants, so a little bit of imagination is needed, and like what it would look with let's say light jeans. But I can see this working. It's like, it's so cute. I'm not quite sure which pieces I'm going to keep. Let me know which ones you'd keep yourself, and see you some other time. Bye.